Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to post on Pinterest. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Pinterest app on your phone. After that, make sure you are logged into your account. Over here, look for the plus button at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Then select the Create Pin option. After that, choose an image or video from your gallery. Over here, you can also take a new photo or record a video directly from the app. Then enter a title for your pin. After that, write a short description and add relevant keywords and hashtags. Then, if your post is related to a website, blog, or product, you can add a link. After that, select an existing board or tap Create Board to make a new one. Then, review everything to make sure it looks good. After that, tap on Create to post it on Pinterest. So that's basically how you can post on Pinterest. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.